Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the trend score indicator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, the trend score indicator, so we can see how the indicator looks like. Okay, it's quite an interesting indicator that helps us identify the prevailing momentum in the market. Okay, now if you can observe carefully, you will notice that the indicator has an indicator window section below the chart, right? And then you will also notice that in addition to the coloring of the line in the indicator window, the trend score indicator also paints the candlestick depending on the current prevailing momentum. For example, when the prevailing momentum is bullish, you will notice that the indicator line in the indicator window will turn green. All right, it will turn green, and then it will also rise above the +5 horizontal level. Okay, and then you will notice that the candlesticks will turn green as well. It doesn't matter whether it's a bullish or a bearish candlestick, so long as the prevailing momentum is bullish, the candlesticks will be green all through. And then when the momentum is changing to bearish, you will notice that the candlesticks will turn red, and then this indicator line will also turn red. And once it drops below the -5 horizontal level, which is red in color as well, you will notice that that is a sign to sell. Okay, so let's just do a very quick recap. Bullish signals include the indicator line, the one that fluctuates. All right, that fluctuating line will turn green, and then there is a horizontal level at +5. So the fluctuating line will turn green and climb above that green horizontal +5 level. That's a buy signal alongside the candlestick's color changing to green. Then the sell signal is when the fluctuating indicator line changes to red and drops below the horizontal -5 level. You can see here, right? That's a sell signal. And then the candlesticks will also turn red. Then when you notice that the color of the fluctuating indicator line is yellow and then candlesticks are yellow, that just shows that there is a possible consolidation phase, maybe in neutral momentum sort of. All right, so as you can see, a couple of examples here, we had bearish momentum prevailing, right? So you will notice that this was a sell signal at this point when this line turned red and dropped below the -5 red horizontal level, and the candlesticks turned red. That was a sell signal. Meanwhile, only sell in a bearish trend and only buy in a bullish trend. So now let's look for a bearish trend. Okay, this was a bearish trend. We've already found a good example there. Now this is a bullish trend, right? So you will notice that here, when the color changed to green and climbed above this +5 green horizontal level, that was a buy signal alongside the color of the candlestick changing to green. Okay, so it's a pretty straightforward indicator. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.